Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Instant Pot fried rice. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. On YouTube, I share Instant Pot stuff with you weekly. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for fried rice and how to do that in your Instant Pot. This recipe is a little different because I'm adding in ground beef to kind of make it an all-in-one meal instead of kind of like a side dish. So what I've done is I turned the Instant Pot to the saute button. I waited for the display to say hot, then I added in my ground beef and I just browned it, broke it up with the spoon. Once it was totally cooked through and browned, I turned off my pot. One thing that I also did is I threw in a little bit of the chicken broth that I'm gonna add in later and deglaze the pot, meaning that I just scraped that pot clean so that there was no burnt spots on the bottom, and that way you won't get that burn message. After you brown the ground beef, add in 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Or what I've done is 2.5 cups of water mixed with 2.5 teaspoons of the chicken better than bouillon. I just keep this in my fridge, it's very handy. I buy it, this big container at Costco. Then add in 2 cups of rice. And this is long grain white rice. Here's the package. If you're using other types of rice, the water to rice ratio might be different as well as the cooking time. So check my recipe notes. I have the link below. If you click on the title of this video, it will pull up all my notes and the things that I linked to, as well as the information about the rice. Then I diced up 2 carrots. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Cover your pot. And for that long grain white rice, it's a quick time. It's a quick cooking time. So press manual and it should be on high pressure. And then if you need to, you can push the minus button or the plus button to get to the time that you need, which is only 3 minutes. So not very much time at all. Make sure the valve up here is set to sealing and not to venting. And that will start building the pressure and cooking. Once the time is up, the pot will start counting up and it will say L0, 01 and then 2. Once it gets to 10 minutes, release the pressure by moving the valve to venting. Once you can, remove the lid. Sometimes when I'm stirring my Instant Pot and it's just moving around like you can't get grip, I put one of these paper clip like things on it, the side, and it just kind of like helps it stabilize so you don't have to have it keep turning around on you. So what we're gonna do now is make a well in the middle. So move all the rice to the sides, kind of like a donut, so you have a hole right in the middle. Then turn the Instant Pot you have to push the off button first, and then press the saute button. And it will start heating up, and we'll cook the eggs. We need fried eggs to go into this fried rice. So I'm gonna wait till that kind of heats up for a couple minutes here. I've let this warm up for about 2 minutes. It's popping and crackling. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of oil right into my well, right in the middle. This is olive oil. And I've whisked up 2 eggs. I'm gonna add that into the well. I'm gonna let those eggs cook, just get like scrambled eggs there. Give that a little stir, kind of cook the eggs. And then I'm gonna stir it all together with the rice, the meat, the carrots. Usually you would have some peas in here. And what you would do if you wanted to add frozen peas in is you would just toss them in right now, and this hot rice would cook them like almost instantly. I don't have frozen peas at my house. Didn't want to go to the store, so I'm not adding them in today, but usually I would add in some frozen peas. I always taste my food and then season to taste with extra salt and pepper if needed. And if it tastes great, you can scoop it up and serve. Turn off the saute button though, so that food on the bottom does not get burnt.